Hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of Bluey surprise doors. We have different characters in here this time, and they're Halloween themed. So let's go ahead and see who we have. First, we have the purple key. Let's go ahead and find the purple door. Which one is it, you guys? Is it this one over here? Nope, not this one. Let's keep looking. Oh, wait a minute. It's gotta be this one down here. Let's see which Bluey character we got. Oh, I see some purple. And it looks like we have Chloe the Dalmatian. Looks like Chloe is a witch. There's a witch hat and a witch outfit. She looks really cool. Next up is the blue key. Let's match it to the blue door. Is this the blue door down here? Nope, not quite. Let's keep searching for our door. Ooh, this matches. This has gotta be the blue door. Let's see who we're gonna find behind the blue door. I see some stripes. And look who it is! It's Bluey dressed in her onesie, a zebra onesie. This could be a perfect Halloween costume as well. All right, friends, we're moving on to the orange key. Which one is the orange door? Is this the orange door up here? It's similar, but it's a little too dark to be the orange. Let's keep searching. Ooh, this one's close, but not quite. It's a little too light. We found it! It's right over here in the corner. Who's gonna be behind the orange door? Ooh, what do we have here? We have a ghost! Ooh! Who do you think is behind the ghost costume? I see some orange fur. That can only be one pup. That's right, it's Bingo! Ooh! We have a few more keys left. Next up is the color red. Where's the color red, you guys? Is this the color red down here? Nope, it's lighter than the key. Let's keep searching. This is too light. Oh, this one is just right. Which Halloween character are we getting next? And we have Bluey as a vampire. Bluey has a cape on. This looks really cool. She's just missing some vampire fangs. Next is the yellow key. We only have 2 doors left. Is this the yellow door? Nope, that doesn't match the key. So that means it's this one down here. Let's open up the yellow door. I see some yellow. And look who it is! It's Bingo! And she's in her leopard onesie. Look at all the really cool spots. And look at the face up here. Looks super scary, but a perfect Halloween costume. We're missing one more Halloween friend, and that's behind the green door. Let's open it up. I wonder who it is. I see green. Here's Lucky as Frankenstein, with his green head and yellow body. Cool costume. We have all of our Halloween friends. Happy Halloween!